Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some frozen meatballs in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I've got a package of frozen meatballs here. These are Corando brand Italian style meatballs. Now they usually sell these fresh in the meat section, but with these, I think what they do a lot of times is when they get close to the expiration date, they just freeze them and then they mark the price down. So I got these for $3.99, where I think normally they're about $10. So if I can get them, oh there we go, get them out of the package here. Just get them all into the bottom of the pot there. Now these are pork meatballs. I looked at the ingredients. These are made of pork. So, and like I said, they're normally about $10 if you get them full price. And I have a 45-ounce jar of pasta sauce, so I'll just pour that over the top of them. Now you could do as many meatballs as you wanted in here. You could just fill that thing up, you know, add more meatballs and just add more sauce. It might take a little bit longer to cook, but everything would be pretty much the same. This is real simple. And I'm going to cook this on high, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It's been 3 hours and 15 minutes. These ought to be done. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that looks good. I have some pretzel buns. I think I'm going to make a sandwich out of these. Here's what a pretzel bun looks like, and I toasted it. So one nice thing about these, they're pretty sturdy. They hold up from all the sauce and stuff, so they make pretty good sandwiches. Here's what the package of pretzel buns look like. You get 4 in a pack. I bought those at the grocery outlet, Pretzilla brand. And then I cut the meatballs in half, put them on there, spoon some sauce over, put a little Parmesan cheese on top. So let's try a bite here. Came out pretty good. And he seems pretty excited about these here. You got a half a meatball. You were a half a meatball here. And I don't even think she chewed it. Well, that was good. Those are pretty good tasting meatballs. So that was like a little over 3 hours. You cooked them on low, probably 5 or 6 hours, I guess. And you can put those over pasta if you wanted to, you know, make pasta and put over pasta as well. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.